Welcome to Heald Law Academy, the place to understand how to grow and protect your business. Today I'm with Caroline Wilton, who's the partner heading up the Commercial Property Department at Heald Solicitors LLP. And today we're going to talk about where you might find asbestos. Now Caroline, asbestos, it sounds like a horrible word, doesn't it? But it's actually quite common, and it's not just in roofs and houses, is it? Tell me more.
The problem, or the great thing that people used to find about asbestos was its fire retardant qualities. And for that reason, it has been used for many, many years in a whole range of different applications. Mm-hmm. Not all of them are necessarily ones that one would think of. You rightly say roofs are a common point. The majority of people that are affected, of course, are in the construction trade, and people who will be much more commonly affected by being in these circumstances, so plumbers and electricians. At the moment, there are regulations specifically designed to reduce the likelihood of contractors getting asbestos-related diseases. The classic example here is that somebody, as an electrician, is drilling into the wall of a property just to put some cables in. And of course that again, the drilling will release fibres into the air which could potentially be breathed in.
Okay Caroline, so it's quite clear that it's quite widespread and there's many different situations that somebody could be exposed to it. How can a business protect themselves from, let's say, claims or maybe even just their employees as a whole? How can they protect themselves and their business?
Anybody who occupies commercial property and who is responsible for its repair is under a duty to manage the asbestos, and perhaps the best way of protecting themselves, their employees and anybody coming into the building is to actually comply with their obligations under the regulations. So that means making sure that they have the appropriate report highlighting if there is any asbestos in the building, and making sure that if the recommendation is that the asbestos is checked every year, that they carry on and actually commission a new report every year just to make sure that that asbestos has not disintegrated. Anybody who is looking to refurbish, then there is a much higher degree of responsibility and a different level of asbestos inspection has to be made.
So the moral of the story is make sure that you cover yourself, make sure that if you know that it's in one of your businesses, to make sure that you have the correct protection in place already.
And the Health and Safety Executive have got some very useful guidelines on their website to help guide people through that.
Thanks very much, Caroline. Well, that's it for now. Remember to subscribe to our videos, news and events, and feel free to use our website or social media to ask any of our legal experts any questions you may have about commercial law. Bye for now.